My name is Patty and you're welcome to another video in my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button. So a couple of weeks ago, we got some furniture, the first furniture for our house, and I recorded myself building all of it. So I'm gonna show you real quick what it used to look like. The couch was already here, and that couch was already here, and all these pieces were from the house, and we decided to keep them until we got our furniture. But we're getting a new table, a new something for the TV, and we are putting a bookshelf here, and we don't know what we're gonna do with this couch. It's gonna just stay there. We're back. I did have to ask for some help. Over here, this metal bar, I wasn't able to put it all by my own sometimes. We are now on the last page. Hallelujah. It is done. Mistakes were made. It sucks. This one, it's the other way around. Look at it. Look at it. It's actually closing the right way now. This is closed. Next one will be the one for the TV. It's 2 boxes, so we know it's gonna be a lot of trouble. We're gonna try opening box 1 first and see if it has the instructions. Let's see. Oh my god, there's 40 steps.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. You send me. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. If I may. I'd like to love you, love you.
I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to my dad. I'm happy I didn't return the tools that I stole from his house.
Every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. If I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
Okay, and now, after all of that work, I was dead by the end of the day. It took like the whole day. I don't even remember. It was Saturday. They delivered like at 10 in the morning, and I was doing it until like late evening. Too much. But this is what we ended up with. So if you remember the couch, the big couch that was already here, we got a cover for it. We put the other couch here, but I think I'm gonna change this. And this is actually a blanket that we had and we're not using at the moment. So it's a pretty good sofa, couch, cover, whatever. Here's the table. We use it to store some of our stuff or our meals, games, and it's pretty nice. We love it. Here's the TV stand. We got all of our consoles there. The drawers are full of I don't even know. It looks beautiful. We have the bookshelf. This side is mine. This side is his. And the cross stitch that I did. And then this corner, he decided to make his gaming corner because whenever I am editing videos or streaming or whatever, he doesn't want to bother me, so he just comes here. We will upgrade this part of the living room as well. We also are gonna get some plants, so yeah, this is it for now. This is what our living room looks like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I will have many more of these style of vlogs of me putting together my IKEA furniture. I already filmed one for our bedroom that will be up next week, and there will be many more because there's still a lot missing. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, guys. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram for all the updates. Join me on my streams on Twitch. And now I'll see you guys on the next one.